Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, iconic career mentor, India's top career counselor award recipient and #1 best-selling author. Welcome to my iconic career stories talk show. In this show, I invite professionals who are embarked on this journey of building an iconic career. My guest today is Rohan Karekar. Rohan is an IT professional. He has a lot of experience in the IT industry. So without further ado, let me ask Rohan to tell us more about himself, introduce himself. So Rohan, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Tell me more about what you do and how you help your clients and your companies.
Yeah. Basically, I am an RPA consultant in the IT industry. My overall experience in IT
Rohan,
industry.
Sorry to interrupt. Many people may not know what RPA is, so if you want to elaborate.
Yeah. Sorry for that. Okay, so my overall experience in the IT industry is around 12 years now, and at present I'm working as an RPA consultant. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. So my basic responsibilities are to automate the existing manual processes which are voluminous, which are kind of rule based, but involves a lot of human effort. So my responsibilities include to consult the business people for knowing such processes which could be automated, and then further automating such processes using a tool called UiPath. So I am an expert in that. So
it's a robotic process automation is the future. So this is there is a lot of discussion around jobs being taken over by human jobs being taken over by robots, right? So when they talk about robots, they're referring to these software bots, right? Like RPA bots.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
That's an exciting area to be in.
Yeah. So, but actually, I would like to kind of make a statement on this. So it is not like replacing the human effort, but it is making it more efficient. So human brain is something which is to be invested more on thinking rather than doing manual stuff, which is pretty much mechanical. So yes. That's the actual intention of RPA is to actually make the existing processes more efficient and involve the humans who are already working in those processes to invest their effort and time on certain processes which involve some amount of thinking into that, rather than
so it's not like bots replacing humans. It's bots taking over those routine jobs and collaborating with humans, right? That's what exactly. That's where the future is headed. Actually, wonderful.
Yeah.